Okay, so here it is. It's 9 o'clock at night. I'm going to be driving around to show you the sounds the car is making. We can just look over here at some of the settings. I can turn my light on. Let's see. So you can see it better. I don't know what that stands for, but that green light is on. This is switched to on. It's just me in the car. The dashboard doesn't have any real interesting warning signs or anything except to tell me that my headlights are on. My car is on. My radio's off. Right now I'm in drive. So I just started the car. I pulled out of my driveway. I'm on the street. As I was backing up, the sound already started. When I have my brakes on, or my foot on the brake, it doesn't do it. But watch, I'm gonna lift my foot off the brake, and there's the sound. So definitely sounds like it's coming from the back. The door's just locked. I'm gonna come up here to a stop sign. I'm gonna put my foot on the brake. The sound stops when I go on the brake. I've lifted my foot off the brake and the sound is back. And it was doing this while I was reversing out of the driveway as well. So yeah, there's nothing interesting on the dashboard. I'll put my brake on again. Stops. And it's going again. Definitely sounds like it's coming from the back. We used to be able to lock and unlock the car. See how that made it stop? Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. So I'll just keep driving a little bit. And now it's not going off, so it's completely random when it happens and when it doesn't. But it more often than not is happening at nighttime for some reason.